I'll go Winston, I guess. See how this goes, brother. I got the new skin, look. Turn around.
Oh, nice. Wow, you look like a demon monkey.
Alright, we're gonna get to the statue, then we're gonna wait a little bit till you get cooldowns, and whenever you have it, we're gonna speed, okay?
8 seconds.
8 seconds for your amp.
Yep.
Give me a 3, 2, 1 before you do it.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. They wasted their nade. They wasted their Ana nade. Ana's here. Get Ana.
I'll get in the Winston. I
Dead.
mean on the McCree. Come to me, come to me. Okay. Got him.
Nice, man. Very good. I'm gonna get this fucking Genji.
I got amps whenever you're ready.
Give me amp heals. Can't deflect me! Ha ha ha.
Oh, fucking junk. Heroes never die.
Heals.
Boosting.
Do you have amp
Yep.
soon?
Ready? 3,
Speed.
2, 1, go.
On the left side? On the left side? They're not protecting her. She's let me though. She's dead.
Ryan,
Ryan has no heals.
I'm on heals, I'm on heals, I'm on heals.
Heal me. Yeah, perfect. Very good. Keep healing. I'm half.
Yeah.
Keep heals.
Winston heals. Up.
Ash.
Roadhog, half.
Ah, don't worry about Roadhog. Go to Genji.
Oh, Genji.
Holy shit. Heal the team. I'm gonna jump off to the right real quick.
Okay.
Go for Ash. Oh, she's dead. Holy shit. Okay, I'm flanking. Stay with team.
Yep. Junkrat in the back. You got Roadhog in the front. Roadhog is half. Oh, Jesus. Oh, big hammer. Oh no. I died. They got me good. Good bomb. Shit.
Fuck. Ash one. Here, do you wanna go Ana? Actually, wait for your. Just
Yeah,
use your.
almost have a boost.
Ready? Walking up.
3, 2, 1, go.
Heals. Yes.
I'm on heals, I'm on heals. Watch it. There you go. I'm on heals. Pushing.
Oh shit. No, it's okay. It's okay because the boost is gonna save this. Torma. Stay on point. Ash, push her away. Watch the heals.
I'm on heals. Anna, right side.
I see her. She's dead.
Road got me.
GG.
Alright,
Nice. Dude, we were terrorizing them for a second. They just didn't know what to do.
Yeah, that was a good little combo with Winston and Lucio. That was
Winston Lucio? You like that shit? That's good. Aw, man. Good. Dude, I had like a 20 kill streak or like a 22 or something.
Do something.
17.